you guys. Welcome to the random comment picker, which is we're trying to do the battle of the boxies, base versus base, Sassy versus Lady Lori. So let's see. I don't think I have hers in there right now. Just a sec. I'm going to go grab, this is Sassy's. We're going to copy her link, pop it in here, filter those duplicate users. Her number on her video, because that was her variation, was 025. We're going to grab a name here. She had 26. Remember, it's one name from each variation. Everybody cross your fingers. Laura Story. Okay, so right now there's it. Don't go congratulations yet because we don't know. Laura Story says, "Hello, Sassy. I'm really enjoying watching your video. You really make me laugh so hard. I just watched Lady Lori's video and I really enjoyed, and she really enjoyed." Okay, 025, the palette topped it off. I'll go get Lady Lori now, or I'll go let Lady Lori know. But keep up the great videos. Thank you for sharing, Laura. All right. Now, thank you so much, Laura. I understood what you were saying there. All right, so she chose 025. We are going to go over here. We're going to go grab my video link, and we're going to get that second name. All right, this is mine. Grab that link. Go here. Mine is 017. There we go. Oh, sorry about my hand. 17. That's off of my video. Oh, wonderful. The 6 of you guys liked it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Makes it easier to win one of these, doesn't it? Okay, we're going to grab this name here, and then we're going to put those two up against each other. Okay, so we have Dana Rosemont, who says, Hello, Miss Lady. You love your videos. I like your box 017. I'll tell Sassy. Have a safe and blessed day. Okay, so here's what we're doing. Remember what I said in the video. Taking the winner from each one of the, or taking the name chosen from each of the videos. Okay, so then from here, we're going into the random name picker. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get everything situated. So the two names are right here in the random name picker. All I did was put Dana's in there, and I put Laura Story. So now Laura was off of, if you remember correctly, she was off of Sassy's video. Dana is off of my video. So it's the, pick the name from each video. And now we pick a name. 1, 2, 3, let's do it. Get ready to congratulate Laura Story. So congratulations to Laura Story. You won the battle of the boxies, which was the base box versus base box, Sassy versus Miss Lady. So I just give a huge congratulations to her, you guys. I would greatly appreciate it. This is a new name for us in the winner circle. So I'm really liking that everybody's getting a chance to win one of my boxes, you know, my boxes of goodies. So there's only one thing you need to do now, Laura. Send me your address via email or through Instagram direct message. All my info is down in the description box of this video, or it's also in either one of the battle. You can find it in any video down in the description box. So I just need your address. I would greatly appreciate it. And you have 48 hours to do that. Any of you guys know Laura? Please send her over here. Let her know. Thank you. All right, you guys, don't be discouraged. There's always giveaways going on. I have a new type of giveaway that's going to be going on monthly, and I'm excited to let you guys know. So this is the end of this video. You guys take care, and until the next one, bye.